Searching for something using a search engine usually produces a query like so in the backend. This is where it gets interesting because such a query is not looking for an exact match, but instead it's asking the database to find every value that begins with the text that was provided. The percentage symbol is a wildcard. It tells your database that you are searching for anything that begins with the word query, and the same goes with other words. In a database context, wildcards are special symbols that represent unknown characters in a string. In other words, wildcards allow you to search for a pattern instead of searching for an exact value. Without wildcards, databases usually perform exact searches or comparisons. So if I use the types app, MySQL would match values like apple, application, appendix, and appointment, all because they start with the same sequence of characters. As you continue typing, the pattern becomes more specific, allowing the application to narrow down the results in real time. This is the same principle behind autocomplete boxes, live search suggestions, and many such features you will find in modern applications. The key takeaway is that wildcard characters allow your query to be flexible. Rather than requiring an exact match, it lets MySQL return any value that fits the pattern you have described. There are multiple types of wildcards supported by databases. The first is the percentage sign. It is used to match 0 or more characters before, within, or after a given string. This would find all email addresses ending with @gmail.com. This would find all values beginning with the string app. Place it on both sides and your database would search for the string anywhere within the text. The second wildcard is the underscore. Unlike the percentage sign, the underscore matches exactly one character. This matches values like page A, page P, and page B, but it will not match strings like Perl or phone because one underscore is designed for exactly one character. And that's pretty much all there is to MySQL wildcards. Just remember these two rules. A percentage matches 0 or more characters, while an underscore matches exactly one character. They are simple symbols, but they can make your queries much more flexible when you are searching for text.